The 15-day Nation First at 75 campaign organized by the Department of Planning, Government of Manipur since September 17 concluded today at City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal, with Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Valla attended as the chief guest. During the event, the governor virtually launched the BAc nursing course for the College of Nursing in Churachandpur and Thoubal and laid the foundation stone for the nursing college building. Certificates were also distributed under the Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0 and videos showcasing the campaign's activities were presented. In his address, Ajay Kumar Valla emphasized the significance of the Nation First at 75 campaign, which aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for India's development, stating that it is also quite useful to the development activities in the state. He further praised the organization of events like cleanliness drives, cycle rallies and tree plantation in line with Nari Shakti, Fit India, Vocal for Local, ADP and ABP, PM Janman, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Skill India, Jan Dhan Yojana and Lifestyle for Environment. While appealing to the public to continue this initiative, Ajay Kumar Valla highlighted the importance of the campaign in promoting self-reliance and environmental sustainability. He also expressed confidence that today's introduction of BAc nursing courses in 2 nursing colleges will enhance the healthcare sector. Reminding that today is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the governor urged the people to shun violence and follow Gandhi's path of non-violence, which played a pivotal role in India's independence movement.
Today's event also recognizes the achievements of urban local bodies in the Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0. I am proud to share that all 27 urban local bodies in Manipur are now ODF, with several advancing to ODF Plus and ODF Plus Plus. Jiribam municipality achieving ODF Plus Plus and also a 3-star rating under the Garbage Free Cities Protocol, while Imphal municipality attaining 1-star rating is commendable. Every urban local body to now aim for the 7-star standard, which will ensure sustainable waste management and healthier living conditions for our people. It's an habit which needs to be developed, encouraged over a period of time. Then only it becomes a 7-star standard.